Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change background in Zoom meeting. So in order to change the background, change the virtual background or make your background blur, you can change it uh, by join the meeting or start new meeting. No more change it via option like more and meeting settings. Here in a previous version you can change it in here, but right now after you update the Zoom meeting, in order to change it you can start new meeting or join meeting. Let's start new meeting for practice. Here there is a toolbar at the bottom of your screen and try to tap on apps. So wait the process. And here there is a virtual backgrounds by the Paxel here. Virtual background. Discover the perfect virtual background. You can tap it. Again with the process. Now the virtual background is powered by Paxel, become third party. And total there are 4 categories that you can set, like nature, then interiors. Maybe in the future there is an update like add a new background per categories, art and travel. In order to set it, you can tap the theme or the wallpaper or background that you want and set background. You can also send this or share this into your friend. And also, if you tap 3 dots beside the pixel filters, you can set your background into the blue one here. So let's go back. Again, if you want to change the background, you can tap on apps, tap virtual backgrounds, and this is the backgrounds by Pixels. There are 4 categories: travel, art, interiors, and nature. So feel free to try to set your favorite background into the Zoom workplace. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.